Commvault, our good friends at Commvault, have just launched Cloud Unity, an AI-powered platform that unifies data protection, recovery, and identity security across cloud and hybrid environments. Tackles AI-driven data sprawl and rising identity-based attacks with integrated governance tools and all of the nice advanced threat detection and recovery testing. Early access is available now, but full release is coming early next year. Tom, have you had access to the earlies?
I have not had early access, but I was in the audience for last week's keynote when Sanjay Mirchandani came out and kind of started talking about what Unity entails. We're going to be following along with the live stream that's actually happening today on the 19th. So make sure you're checking out techfieldday.com for more details on that. Here were some of my big takeaways from what I got during the Commvault Shift keynote. The first thing is Res Ops. I hope you're ready for a new Ops designation. In this case, with Commvault, it's Resilience Ops, right? It is not enough to be available. You have to be resilient. You have to make sure your data never goes down. That is part and parcel of what Commvault has always been about. We know that for a fact because we've seen that over the years. Commvault's kind of the gold standard for backup and recovery, but that's not the market that we're in anymore. We're in the data protection market. And one of the things that they announced that it took me a minute to kind of understand the totality of it is something called synthetic restores. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, how hard is it to restore data? But I want you to think about this because this is the way that the market has been going. So it used to be that if something blew up, we had to restore it, right? Well, we had to go back and figure out where we had good data from. And in the case of a security incident, we have to make sure that the data is still clean. And that means restoring back to a certain point in time, right? But how do we know that the point in time is far enough back that we're getting the right data to restore? And what happened to all the data that's been created since that restore point? Can't all be bad, right? So what Commvault is proposing with this synthetic restore capability is that they're going to take a look at the backup. So we're not just going to yesterday or last week or last month. We're going to take all of the backups and we're going to look for the critical files that are infected and we're going to roll those back to the point where they were not infected. But for everything else that's not destroyed, we are going to roll it back to the last known good of that file. So if that last known good file was yesterday, then we could restore part of the system to a month ago and another part to last night. That means minimal data loss. That means resilience all over the place. And that is huge for people who are uncomfortable with this idea of we got to start taking big full backups and full snapshots all the time because you never know when we're going to miss something and we're going to have to roll back. The other thing that I thought was a big deal was the fact that Commvault is integrating identity protection into their platform. Because one of the things I think that a lot of people are missing out on is that you can get infected and you can clean up all of the servers. But if the attackers penetrated into Active Directory, they've got a foothold. They can just keep coming back. Like, what if they change the password on backup operators and added themselves as an unknown user? Or worse yet, at one that looks like a system account, they could just keep cutting back in and doing everything they want to do. And you're just going to have to keep rolling back. Only now they're watching you roll back in real time and they're combating all of those rollback points. So that eventually you're either going to be forced to pay or you're going to be extorted for whatever else and have your data dumped. So I like where Commvault's headed with this. The name change, of course, is important because we're unifying resilience into the platform. And I'll admit some of the commercials in the keynote were kind of cute. I kind of liked it. So make sure you stay tuned for more of that. And also, we got some great content coming out from the people that attended, not much just myself, but Jack Pauler and Jay Cuttrill and more great field day delegates. So make sure you're tuned in for that.